Today we are going to learn how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. Before getting started, welcome you all in Campus. For the installation of Windows 10 in VirtualBox, we need two things. First one is VirtualBox and second one obviously the Windows 10 ISO file. I have already downloaded these two files and the download links are given in the description below. I have downloaded these all files and put in this folder. So let's begin the today's tutorial by installing VirtualBox. Click on VirtualBox and then click on next, click on next, click on next and then click on yes and click on install and then wait some time for the installation procedure to start. Click on install, click on finish. We have successfully installed VirtualBox in our Windows machine. This is the user interface of VirtualBox machine. To begin the installation procedure of Windows 10 in VirtualBox machine, first of all, go to New and then write Windows 10. Windows 10. Okay. Type Microsoft Windows and version. Select your appropriate version of Windows. Here we are going to install Windows 10 64-bit version. Click on next. Here the recommended memory size is shown. Recommended memory size, that is recommended RAM size is shown. I am going to yes on 4 GB, that is 4096 MB of RAM. Click on next, click on create, click on next, click on next and select the appropriate size of your hard drive for VirtualBox. Here 50 GB is okay for me. You can also increase or decrease for this. Okay, click on create. Here the space for Windows 10 was created. Now we are going to do few settings. Click on settings, click on advanced and click on bidirectional, drag and drop. Click on bidirectional, go to system and go to processor and assign the number of processor for VirtualBox. I am going to assign 2 and then click on OK. Now click on start. Here we have to select the downloaded Windows 10 ISO file. For this, click on this icon and this click on add and go to the folder in which our Windows 10 ISO file is located and put it in download folder and then in VirtualBox and select the Windows 10 ISO file and click on open. Click on choose and then click on start. Now wait some time, the window will automatically begins the installation procedure. Now click on next, click on install now. If you have Windows 10 product key, you can enter here, but I haven't. And click on I don't have a product key because I don't have Windows 10 product key license file, and then select the appropriate version of Windows. Here I am going to select Windows 10 Pro and then click on next. You can select your appropriate version of Windows 10 and then click on I accept the license term and then click on next. Click on custom and then click on new, click on apply, click on OK. Now the installation procedure of Windows 10 begins. I am going to pause the video until Windows makes its files ready for the installation. Finally, the Windows makes its files ready for the installation. The speed of this procedure depends upon the size of RAM and the number of processors that you provided for the VirtualBox. Now click on Restart Now. Now we have to select the purpose of installation of Windows 10. Here I am going to use this for my personal use, so I am going to select setup for personal use. Click on next. Now here are two ways of getting started. Either you have to enter your Microsoft email address and password, or you have to go offline account. I am going to select this one, offline account, and then we must have to select limited experience. If we select get it now, then we are redirected to the Microsoft login page, Microsoft account login page. I'm going to click on limited experience and then enter your name, click on next and select password. I'm going to skip this one and click on next. Just simply click in this and click on accept. Yes, click on S and click on accept. Click on S and click on accept. Click on full and click on accept. Click on S and click on accept. Click on no and then click on accept. Click on no and then click on accept. Click on S. Just simply click on accept. If you want to use your host operating system, that is host Windows network connection in guest Windows, simply click on S. Dear friends, to make it full screen, please press the right hand side console of your keyboard and app at the same time and click on switch. Dear friends, the installation procedure was successfully completed, but black screen is shown in either side, which isn't pretty well. Now we are going to make it full screen. To make it full screen, please follow the following instruction. Move your cursor down and then click on devices and click on insert disk audition CD image, and then click on Windows Explorer. Go to this PC, open VirtualBox disk auditions, click on S and click on next and click on install. Click on install. Dear friends, now click on finish. After this, the virtual machine automatically reboots this Windows 10 and it automatically removes the black screen on either side of the Windows. Oh, it's amazing and looks pretty good. Finally, dear friends, if you want to add this PC and control panel and so on icons in your home screen, please go to personalize and then go to themes. Scroll down below and click on desktop icons, and finally select computer, control panel, network, user files, and click on apply and then click on OK. Dear friends, if you want your host operating system files in this location, and please simply go to devices and click on shared folders and click on the shared folder settings, and then click on add new shared folder, this button, and just select the appropriate host operating systems folder which you want to appear in your guest operating system. Click here, click on other and select the appropriate folders. I am going to select my local disk D and click on select folder and click on auto mount, click on permanent and click on OK. Again click on OK. Finally, my drive D is appeared here. Dear friends, if you like this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye for today. We will meet soon in the next interesting video. Thank you for watching.